Yeah, in today's topic, we will be discussing about Python modules. What is a module? Module is nothing but a file containing a set of functions and variables to be used in an application. See, for example, if I open my any of the Python file, okay, see, let us look at this. All these files are treated as modules. See, for example, if I'm opening this, okay, in this I have some functions. See, function definitions are the definition, and then yeah, this function is defined here. And again, see, number of coders in dominant cities, that is another function. Definition of remove sublist form, okay, definition of main. Like this, different functions are there and different variables are defined in this, right? So this is a module. Okay, children. So any file that has set of functions and variables to be used in an application, okay, that is a module. So module, what does it do? It will allow us to logically organize your Python code. Grouping related code into module makes the code easier to understand and use, right? So it is treated as an object only with arbitrarily named attributes that you can bind and reference. Okay, so simply module is what? File containing Python code. It can define functions, classes, variables. So it can also include runnable code also, right? So for example, see, if you want to make a module, okay, so let us make a module of example.py. Got it, children? So now how to do that? Let's go file, new file. Yeah, so this is the, what is this module name? Example.py. Okay, so this in this I'm writing a definition of a function. Okay, so here I'm displaying a message, hello world. And here I'm just this is fun of message, okay, function of message. So this will just display a message. Okay, now what do? I'll just save it. What is the file name to be given? Example. Okay, so now that module is ready, but that module का अगर आपने ये क्या है fun msg था ना, so msg को execute करना है, ठीक है? So now example is not defined, right? Example fun msg. Now let us open another file. Okay, here import example, because example has become a module here ना, so example के अंदर हमने fun msg किया है ना, so example dot fun msg. Okay, so msg. So now I'm calling the function within that module, that is example के अंदर. See, children, this is really fun. Really you can enjoy. See, import example. Example में बहुत सारा coding आपने लिखा होगा, right? So this definition I have written in example.py, and I am calling that in another file. Are you following, children? ex1 I'm giving. Okay, so now you can see, no, when I executed, see this I close. Okay, so now only this one I am executing. Are you following, children? See, now import example dot fun message. Okay, so now if you execute, are we getting the result or not? But who has written this example module? Who has prepared? We only have prepared. Are you following, children? आ रहा है समझ में? Are you all there with me?
Ma'am, like that we can import any other message, no? That we have not written.
Very good. Yes, ma, Ayush. So what we can do is like this, we can prepare any other function like that. See, for example, let us prepare one simple calculator. Okay, calculator में बहुत सारा functionality होंगे ना? Yes or no? So now what do I do? Okay, file, new file. So this is the calculator के लिए what should I do? Define addition का. So here we have two numbers, right? So what do? I'll return the sum of those two numbers. Similarly, define subtraction. Okay, subtraction of two numbers, difference of two numbers. Okay, so this is what is that? Return sub of x comma y. Then define product. Okay, so product of two numbers x comma y. So this is like a formula I'm writing. Definition is nothing but formula kind of. Okay, children. So now what am I doing? Return x multiplied by y. So what does it do? This much. Then define division result now. So division of x comma y. So what is it return? If y not equal to 0, then only we can perform division, isn't it, children? Yes or no? Return x divided by y. Okay. Otherwise, what should we do? Division by error. Division by 0 error. Okay, so now let's execute this. This is calc. Okay, calc I'm giving. Now I just want to call these functions in another file. So what is that? Import calc. Calc is the module, isn't it? So now what do I want to do? Enter the choice. Okay, so let the choice equal to 1 for addition. Okay, and then 2 for subtraction. Then 3 for what? Multiplication. Then 4 for what? 4 for what? Division. Okay, division. So we'll ask the user to enter choice. So user should enter, no? So input. Okay, input this thing. Whatever input we are getting. This is integer input only. We have given 1, 2, 3, 4 means. So convert that result into integer. Got it, children? आ रहे समझ में? So now if choice is 1, what should we do? calc से आपको करना है calc dot add some numbers. What are the numbers? So let us take those two numbers also. Sum A is equal to integer input enter number 1. And similarly, B is equal to input enter number 2. Okay. So if choice is 1, do this. If choice is 2, what should we do, children? calc dot subtraction of those two numbers, right? A comma B. Then if choice is choice is 3, 4 choices I have given, right? So choice is 3. What should we do? Product now. If choice is 4, what should we do? Division. Okay. So where is this division and all defined in calc? Okay. See, in calc.py we have defined. You can see no file name here. Is it visible to every one of you? Yes or no? Yeah, these 4 functions in a separate file we have defined. Now we are calling those in another file because now that has become a module. Okay, so calculate calc 1 I have given here. So now enter your choice. What is 1 second, let me execute once again.
Ma'am, there's a spelling of choice is wrong, that's all.
Yeah, okay, fine. Wonderful. So if I'm giving a choice 1, enter number 1, 34, number 2, sum 43. Okay, so but we have returned the result, but where have you printed that result? Sum is, okay, this thing. Similarly, difference is okay, because it is returning the value that we have to either take into another variable or you can display. And when you are displaying this message, I wanted to see it on the screen as it is. And beside that, so comma separated. And beside that, result of this function call, I wanted to be displayed. Okay. So now you see, first option I'm giving. Okay. So now enter number 1, 23. So number 2, 12. So now what is the sum? Sum is 35. Again, understood, children? Now I want this entire thing to be repeated. What should I do? So entire thing to be repeated means we have discussed now while loop. Okay, so this and all to be discussed. Continued till choice other than the 1, 2, 3, 4. If we are giving break, okay, somewhere we have to break the loop. Now you see. Can you all see? Just once again, I'll execute and show you. Now you all can see. See, first choice, first I entered 1. Enter number 1, 21. Number 2, 3. So what is the sum? 24. Again, it is asking no. So next choice I have entered 2. What are the numbers? 34, 32. So what is calc.sub? Return sub of yeah. He returned. What is the mistake here? In calc.py, if we go to return what? Sub of. So it has become a recursive call sub. Okay, ma. So now let's exit. Okay, then there is no issue in that. So now let us execute our program. This one. Yeah, first one is enter number 1, okay, 56, 54. What is the sum? 110. Okay, now choice 2, subtraction. Give me some numbers. 67, 45. Result aa gaya? Okay, now give me another, yeah, now choice is 3. So enter 2 numbers, 45, 56. So multiplication result aa gaya? ठीक है? आ रहे समझ में? Next, fourth option, division. Enter number 134. Number 2, I'm giving a 0. So what is that? Division by 0 error. Again. Right. Now once again perform division. So give me 34 and 2. What is the result? Again. Got it, children? So this is how your program should work. Okay. But here if you look at what is that add function, what is sub, what is product, what is div, it is not defined in this program, in this file. Okay, but it is defined in another module, calc. So from that calc we are taking add function, From the calc, we are taking sub function. From the calc, we are taking product function. From the calc module, we are taking the div function. आगे समझ में. So this calc is not a already existing module. Just like when you install software, that will come. It is not like that, but that is prepared by us only. Okay, so there are some existing modules, there are some modules which we can create. So today, what did you learn, children? What have we learned? How to prepare a module on your own. There are modules like math module, random module, which have already predefined functionalities in that string module. See, when we are learning, no, tuples, list, these are the functions on this list. So they are all there already with the existing module. Got it? They're already, when you have installed the software, no? So all those modules are also installed. But if you want to create, you can create your own module. So we can use modules to break down large programs into small, manageable, organized files. Got it, children? If you write the entire coding in the same file, what will happen? It looks so large, isn't it? So big program. But if you have prepared this one as a separate, then how many files, wherever you want, you can reuse it. Yes or no? So, right? So module reduces the complexity of the program into a small thing. Okay. So now, how do we import, how do we include those functionality into our program? By using import statement. And we can access the definitions. Import and then module 1, module 2, how many modules separated by comma also you can do. And if you want to access only specific function, I don't want the all the functions of the module, then what can we do? From module name, import what is that function, only addition if you want, like only that particular part only if you want. See, import in this example what I have shown you is all are accessible. Just calc I mentioned. So calc के अंदर जो भी functionality हमने define किया है ना, all those functionality is accessible. But if you want to access only addition function, okay, second way of accessing I'm showing. So from calc, what are we going to import? Only addition, right? So now addition is imported na, then I need not give calc dot add. Now you see, first addition will work. 23, 34. Addition is working. Now if I use subtraction, what happened? Calc is not defined. Okay, because subtraction, product and division I haven't imported to this program. आगे समझ में. So specifically if you want to import, otherwise here all, if you want to import, what you can do is you can use a asterisk, that is while character, that is all the functionality. So now I need not give calc dot, I can just give the function name. Is it clear to every one of you? Now you see, let me show you the result addition of two numbers, 12 and 21, 33. Again, so now let us do the subtraction, 21 minus 12. Again, difference. Now multiplication result, 12 and 21. Okay, so now again, got it, children? We all understood. So other than 1, 2, 3, 4, if I give any choice, what will happen? That will not perform anything. Even if you don't want these things also to be asked here, you can put into the choice. Okay ma, understood? आगे समझ में किसी को doubt है तो पूछ सकते हैं. See now what have I done? From module name, import is also keyword. See all these orange color things are keywords. Okay, so from module name and then import keyword. If you want only a particular function, only that thing you can import, or if you want all star you can use. When you are using from module name import star, then you need not use a calc dot, that module name dot that function. But if you are using just import calc, that is the difference. आगे समझ में बच्चों? Have you all understood? Are you following? Yes. So from module name import star, or from module name import only that function name. Right. So now we'll be having built-in modules, or we'll be having user-defined modules. Now who has defined this calc? Just now I discussed with you, no? We only have defined. So that is user-defined. Built-in means आप डिफाइन नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन वो सब फंक्शनैलिटी किसी दूसरे मॉड्यूल के अंदर है. जब आपने इंस्टॉल किया वो मॉड्यूल पूरा इंस्टॉल हो गया. ठीक है. So we have math module, that is the built-in module. Suppose if you want to get the pi, square root, or sine function, trigonometric functions, okay, so math dot square root, okay, so वैसे calculate करना है तो आपको करना है import math module, seal function, floor function, okay, so power function to the power of, right, FABS, absolute values, okay, so absolute sine value, cos value, tan value, these are all the functions from the math module. And we have random module. Random module will give you a pseudo random number generator, okay, which will give you a random number within the range given. Okay, ma. So here random, just without giving, okay, so any random function when you're calling, it will generate random floating point numbers between 0.0 to 1.0. Does not need any arguments. Where is this function defined? In which module, children? Tell me. What is the module for this random function? You can see the example, no? What is the module here? Ayush, can you tell me? What is the module here? Random module.
Random module.
Yeah, if you want to generate integers between specific integers, then randint is function is used. From which module? Import के बाद module का नाम लिखते हैं. ठीक है. Module means that file. So what is that file? Random. Okay. Similarly, rand range. Rand range is, see, within the range of 1 to 10, generate some random value. Lucky draw. है ना? So whatever the number comes, that will be taken as a output for that. Okay. So within the random module only this also. So random dot rand range. Similarly, statistics module is there. So mean, mode, median, you can calculate using the statistics module, children. Okay. So this file is available in elearnkvsroblr.in. Okay. So and I'm sharing it through WhatsApp also for your ready reference, children. Any doubts in this today's session, you can ask, and if no doubts, we'll wind up here. Any doubts, children? So, and I'll be giving questions and that homework. Complete that homework. Yes, ma, through WhatsApp. Or in the Google Classroom, I'll share. Okay, children? Okay, in Google Classroom, you all can see I have shared the content here. Okay, you can write classwork also from here. You can see, children. We all log into Google Classroom and you can see. I have just shared, uploaded there in the Google Classroom. You can see, introduction to modules in Python. Okay. So notes on Python module. Okay, ma, in the classwork. Right. See here that notes is there, PDF. You can download. You can view that material also. Okay. Today, whatever I taught, it is there. Okay, children, if there is no doubt, you practice, go through complete notes also. See, don't keep any work pending for till next reminder. Okay. So now today we'll wind up here.
Ma'am, please send the